Basmati Rice. Basmati rice comes from India and Pakistan. It has long, thin grains and a rich aroma. After cooking, the grains stay fluffy and separate. It is perfect for biryani and pilaf. Jasmine Rice. Jasmine rice is mainly grown in Thailand. It has a soft texture and a light floral smell. It is commonly served with curries and stir-fried dishes. Brown rice is a whole grain. It keeps its outer layer, making it higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals than white rice. It is a healthy choice for everyday meals. Arborio Rice. Arborio rice comes from Italy. Its short round grains become creamy when cooked. That's why it is the best rice for making risotto. Sushi Rice. Sushi rice is a Japanese short grain rice. It becomes sticky after cooking, helping sushi rolls stay together perfectly. Wild rice. Wild rice is not actually rice. It is the seed of a water grass from North America. It has a nutty flavor and is rich in protein. Black rice. Black rice was once called forbidden rice because only Chinese emperors could eat it. It is full of antioxidants and turns deep purple when cooked. Red rice. Red rice has a natural red color and a slightly nutty taste. It is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals.